Has your tenant asked to install an electric car charger? If you own a rental condo or single-family home in California, here's what you need to know, because the answer is not always yes. You don't always have to agree. Here are the main situations where you're not required to allow it. First, if your lease doesn't include a parking space, you're not required to provide one just for the charger. Second, if your home has fewer than 5 total parking spots, the law doesn't apply. And then third, if you already have chargers installed in 10% or more of your parking, you've met the requirement. And if your home is under rent control and the lease was signed before January 1st, 2019, you're also exempt. But if none of those apply and your tenant sends a written request, then yes, you generally do need to allow it. But the tenant has to cover all the installation and maintenance costs. They have to provide detailed plans and permits, and they have to follow HOA rules. They also need to carry insurance unless the charger meets specific safety certifications, and it also needs to be installed by a licensed electrician. The bottom line is tenants do have rights on this, but you have control over how it's done and who actually pays for it. We help landlords in Carlsbad, Encinitas, Oceanside, and all of North County, San Diego stay compliant and protect their property. So if you have additional questions and want to reach out, we'd be happy to help. Thanks.